Hello students, welcome again. Students, now we will see how to draw the graph of a linear equation in two variables. Okay, into two variables. For this is our first exercise. Exercise number 4.3. Okay, so first question is draw the graph of the following linear equations. So first question is this. Second, this is third question. Okay, so I will show you how to draw the graph of a linear equation in two variables. After that you can do yourself all sums. Okay, first question is x plus y is equal to 4. X plus y is equal to 4. So how to draw? So my dear students, first what you have to do, just make a table. Okay, so we know that in any 2 points we can, if we join the 2 points, so we can draw the line. Okay, for drawing a line I need only 2 points. So if you want to draw the graph of this linear equations, just put any value in place of x or in place of y, you will get the another value. If you will put in place of y any value, you will get the value of x. If you want to put in place of x any value, you will get the value of y. Depends upon you. Okay, so this is my x, this is my y. Okay, so my question is x plus y is equal to 4. So you can write here x is equal to 4 minus y. Okay, depends upon you. So if I will put in place of y, you just start from 0. Okay, start from 0. You can put any value, depends upon you. But it will be good and our graph will be good if we start from 0. If I will put in place of y, I will put 0. So it will come x is equal to 4 minus 0. So x is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4. When y is equal to 0, at that time x is equal to 4. Okay, so second value is when you just put in place of y, you put 1, depends upon you. If you put in place of y 1, so x is equal to 4 minus 1, so x is equal to 3. When you put x is equal to, when you has put x is equal to, sorry, y is equal to 1, so at that time x is equal to 3. Okay, similarly you can put any value. So I will put now y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4. So x will be 4 minus 4 is 0. Okay, so these are the points. You can put infinite number of points, but it is impossible. So to draw the graph of this linear equation in two variables, I need only 2 points. So here there are 3 points. 1, 2, 3 points. X is 4, y is 0, x is 3, y is 1, x is 0, y is 4. So you can draw line without any tension. Okay, without any problem. So my dear students, just draw the graph of this function. First you make x-axis. Okay, so this is my x-axis. Sorry, this is my y-axis. So this is my x-axis. Okay, make sure you are having the graph copy. So this is origin, this is x-axis, this is called y-axis. So this is my, you can start from my scale. I will put scale here. I will keep here 1 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So similarly you can do here. This is 1. Both should be equal. Okay, same. You cannot put in place of x-axis you put 1 centimeter and in place of y-axis you put 1.5. No, every side should be same, equal. Okay, so this is my origins is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now I have to draw the points. First point is x is equal to 4, y is equal to 0. X is equal to 4, y is equal to 0. X is 4. This is x-axis. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is x is equal to 0 and y is 4. So y is 4. Sorry, x is equal to 4. Y is 0. X is equal to 4, y is 0. So this is my x is here 4 and y is here. Y is not present here. So y is 0 here. So this is my first point. How to plot? Already we discussed it in first lecture. Next is x is equal to 3, y is equal to 1. X is equal to 3, y is 1. This is 1. So it will be here. X is equal to 3 and y is 1. Okay? You know how to draw, how to plot. So with the help of these 2 points, you can draw the straight lines. Okay? But I will put another point. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 4. So y is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And x is equal to 0. It will be here. Okay? X is here 0 and y is here 4. So now what to do? Just join these points. You will get the straight line. You will get the equation of this linear equation. You will get the equation. So this is my line. Depends upon you how much you want to improve this. It depends upon you. So this is my line of the equation, linear equation, which is given here. X plus y is equal to 4. So you can write here, this is my line, x plus y is equal to 4. It means that if I will take any point of this line, so it will be the solution of this equation. Outside of this line, if I will take any point, so that will not be the solution of this equation. So my dear students, this is how we can draw the graph of a linear equation into 2 variables. So my dear students, I will send the PDF of this exercise number 4.3. You have to solve the questions. Okay, if you understood the introductory lecture and this lecture, how to draw the graph of a linear equation, so I hope you will do it very well. If you are having any doubt, you can post in group. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. I will send the PDF of this exercise. Thank you, my dear students.